One more crazy story. Last story of the day. Man wins $500,000 using the numbers for the lottery. They're using the numbers that he got on in his fortune cookie. You imagine that, Will? Those, you got the fortune cookie with the lucky numbers in it. I never look at that. I mean, I don't play the lottery. Do you look at that? Those numbers in there?
No.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do.
Apparently.
If you're this guy, you're supposed to look at these numbers, play them on the lottery, and make $500,000. The fortune cookie lived up to its name. The odds of winning 1 in 292 million. Ernesto Sorzano, his Chinese takeout dinner paid off big time. He played the set of lucky numbers inside the fortune cookie on a North Carolina Powerball ticket. And it was a $3 ticket, ended up matching 4 of the numbers and landing him $500,000. Says he's going to use it to purchase a house in North Carolina. And talk about having a better day than usual, especially the way the world is right now. You're just eating a nice little fortune cookie, looking at your numbers. You just had a nice meal. You look at those numbers. You say to yourself, those numbers are going to win right there, right?
Yeah.
And you're digesting the meal. You go play the numbers. The following day or couple of days, you're remembering the nice meal as you check the numbers. What came back? You get the ticket check. You see the $500,000. You're gonna be eating a lot of Chinese food. I'll tell you what.